On Christmas night, a restaurant humiliated a U.S. Army veteran. 30 days later, a judge ended their business. It was Christmas Eve, freezing cold, snow covering the streets. 72-year-old Robert Miller, a retired Army veteran, walked into a crowded restaurant. Families laughed. Children opened gifts, Christmas music played. Robert wore an old military jacket. Faded, worn, but clean. He quietly asked, "May I have a seat?" The manager looked him up and down, then laughed. "This is a family restaurant," the manager said loudly. "Not a shelter for people who can't afford dinner." The room went silent, then someone laughed. A phone camera turned on. Robert reached into his pocket. "I can pay," he said calmly. "I just need a moment." The manager shook his head. "No, you're making customers uncomfortable." Security was called on Christmas night. Robert was escorted outside. Snow fell on his jacket. Inside, people went back to eating. What no one knew, Robert served 22 years in the U.S. Army. 3 overseas deployments, 2 medals for bravery, a lifetime of sacrifice. That jacket held his past, his scars, his service. The video hit social media that night. Millions watched by morning. Veteran groups recognized him. Reporters asked questions. A civil rights lawyer stepped forward. The restaurant denied everything until the courtroom day arrived. 30 days later, Robert walked into court. Same jacket, head held high. The video played on a large screen. Every word, every laugh. The judge turned to the manager and said, "You removed a man who defended your freedom on the night you celebrated it." The courtroom went silent, and the judgment was read. The restaurant was fined, the manager was fired, and Robert was awarded damages for discrimination and public humiliation. The judge ended with one sentence: "Respect is not optional." No one clapped, no one spoke. As Robert walked out, people stood, not because they were told to, but because justice finally did.